I know, need more pixels. Anyway, this is my everyday carry setup. The black plastic here is what originally came with the pistol. It originally had some hooks on it for belt loop hooks. They could be flipped around to be outside waistband or inside. Just took a piece of PVC, heated it up in the oven until it got soft, cut it to shape. First heating, only had it bent this way, so I cut this spot, heated up these tabs on the stovetop, bent them in. Now it cups my thigh muscle nicely. The worst discomfort I get is sometimes I get an itch under there, and I gotta either reach up into here and itch it, or take that strap off, scratch it, put the strap back on. The only improvement that it really needs is if the strap I'm using could lock onto my belt, because as I walk without it locked on, it can shift side to side a little bit, and sometimes it'll shift over and not come back, and the holster slowly walks itself to the side, and then it's in front of me and it's not shaped properly, like that's not comfortable. So that's the only real upgrade it needs. Just a duffel bag strap here, some ammo belt that looks like it came from some military themed gift shop, some tie wire to make the attachment points. Real basic. Some random hardware for spacing this out. It's angled a little bit so I can get my thumb in here. I left this extra plastic up here because I don't want my pants or something to loop up like this, and if it was looped up like this down behind the pistol, then I'd go to reach for it, maybe get a handful of pants, and then snag drawing. Don't need to fumble a draw. Sometimes it does bunch up a little bit, just yank down like that, and it's fine again. Yeah, all it really needs is, like I've seen some belt holster setups where the inside belt has the hooks for Velcro, the outside one has the soft part, and it locks on. If I had something like that right here, it wouldn't go anywhere. But yeah. Any lower wouldn't be great because I'd have to lean like this. I want to be able to just stand, and there's no locking mechanism. It's just snug. Like I could jump up and down. It's not going anywhere. Except that side to side like that if I move around a bunch. Yeah, that's my everyday carry. I think I've had this set up for about 4 months now. Carried the first couple months just with the original holster. But it started getting cold, and trying to wear a coat and outside the waistband, kind of difficult. Difficult to do comfortably anyway. And if you don't have a concealed carry permit, you can't conceal. You have to go open carry. So that's what I got. Liking it. I'm able to sit in a car. Can't have a pistol in without a concealed carry permit, but I leave the holster on. I'm able to sit down. Like, barely touches up here. It's fine. If I bend way over, the rear sight will kind of poke me there, but I'm able to bend over. Picks up off the floor, ground, whatever. It's fine. I also made a secondary mag holster using the one of the belt loops that came with the holster, and then the mag loader. Just cut the top off, wedges in there because the top is angled. Just left some of the angle on there. There it is. And yes, the hook opens on the top, because if I left it open on the bottom, it would hinge around funny, and it just kind of sucked. I'm not worried about this falling out. I am more worried about not ripping off the magazine with the mag holder still on it. So it being open on the top and not the bottom is better. It's got a little bit of a hook on the top anyway to keep it from falling off. Anyway, That's my daily carry.